Welcome back to the Essential 8 Cybersecurity series. Today, in our journey through the Essential 8 Cybersecurity strategies, we arrive at the critical 8th and final strategy of the framework: daily backups. As no system is 100% secure, in the event of a cybersecurity incident, having up-to-date backups is your safety net. Whether it's data corruption, deletion, or a ransomware attack, daily backups ensure that you can swiftly recover and resume normal operations. It's a proactive measure to minimize downtime and data loss, providing a reliable mechanism for recovering critical information in the face of unexpected challenges. Here's how you can enforce it. Number 1, schedule regular backups. Set up an automated daily backup for all critical data. Ensure that backups include both on-premise and cloud-based data. Number 2, periodically test the restoration process to ensure backups are viable. Confirm that you can quickly recover essential information when needed, as you don't want to be playing Russian roulette. Will it work? Won't it work? On the day that you need it most. Daily backups are your insurance against the unforeseen, offering a lifeline that you need when you need it most. Remember, backups today means business as usual tomorrow. If you have any questions about daily backups or need assistance, feel free to contact us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Essential 8 Cybersecurity Framework.